Welcome to Spiritual Journey 7. Today, we journey into the heart of one of the most beloved episodes of the Ramayana, the Sundara Kanda. But this isn't just a retelling of Hanuman's heroic leap to Lanka. Today, we will unlock the untold stories, the hidden meanings, and the spiritual treasures tucked away in this beautiful chapter. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the Sundara Kanda like never before. Segment 1. The Hidden Spiritual Symbolism. When we think of Sundara Kanda, we picture Hanuman soaring across the ocean, overcoming demons, and finding Sita in the gardens of Lanka. But did you know that every step of Hanuman's journey is a metaphor for our own spiritual quest? The vast ocean Hanuman crosses isn't just water, it's the ocean of ignorance, the illusion, or Maya, that separates us from our true selves. Hanuman's leap is the leap of faith each of us must take to reach the divine within. And the obstacles he faces? Sursa, the serpent, the goddess who blocks his path, represents our ego. Sihika, who tries to drag Hanuman down, is the doubt and negativity that pull us away from our goals. Hanuman's victory over them shows us that strength, intelligence, and adaptability are all needed on the path to enlightenment. Segment 2. The Divine Tests. Here is something you may not have heard before. The gods themselves test Hanuman during his journey. Sursa, sent by the gods, demands that Hanuman enter her mouth. But Hanuman doesn't. He just fight, he uses his wits, expanding and shrinking his form to satisfy her demand and continue his mission. It's a lesson for all of us. Sometimes, the challenges we face are divine tests, meant to bring out our best qualities. Segment 3. Sita's Wisdom and Agency. Let's talk about Sita. Often, the spotlight is on Hanuman, but Sita's strength shines just as brightly. When Hanuman offers to carry her back to Rama, Sita refuses, not out of pride, but to uphold Dharma. She can audibles that Rama must rescue her himself to restore his hope and fulfill his destiny. Sita's wisdom and resilience in the face of despair are a powerful, often overlooked part of the Sundara Kanda. Segment 4. Hanuman's Inner Conflict. Here is an untold layer, Hanuman's humility. Despite his incredible success, Hanuman constantly questions whether he's done enough. Even when captured by Ravana's forces, Hanuman chooses not to escape immediately. Instead, he uses the opportunity to deliver Rama's message directly and gauge Ravana's intentions. His actions are driven by devotion, not ego, a lesson in true selflessness. Segment 5. The Beauty of Lanka. The Sundara Kanda isn't just about battles and bravery. It's filled with some of the most beautiful descriptions in all of Indian literature. The golden walls of Lanka, its lush gardens, and grand palaces are described in vivid detail. But here is the twist. This external beauty is contrasted with the darkness of Ravana's deeds, reminding us that true beauty lies within, not just in appearances. Segment 6. The Healing Power of Sundara Kanda. Did you know that reciting or listening to Sundara Kanda is believed to bring hope and remove obstacles? It's said to have the power to heal suffering and inspire courage. Just as Hanuman's message brought solace to Sita in her darkest hour, the verses of Sundara Kanda continue to uplift hearts even today. That's why many turn to this chapter in times of crisis, seeking its blessings and strength. Segment 7. The name Sundara, a story in itself. Why is it called Sundara Kanda, the beautiful chapter? There's a story behind the name. Hanuman's mother, Anjani, lovingly called him Sundara, meaning beautiful. Valmiki, the sage who composed the Ramayana, chose this name because every aspect of this chapter is beautiful. Hanuman's character, Sita's virtue, even the city of Lanka itself. Some legends say that the city of Lanka was created by Parvati for Shiva, adding yet another layer to the meaning of Sundara. Segment 8. Hanuman. Hanuman's feats aren't just physical, they are yogic. He is the son of Vayu, the wind god, and is described as the embodiment of air. He can change form, travel at will, and even become invisible, powers achieved through deep spiritual practice. In many ways, Hanuman represents the ultimate yogi, using his gifts selflessly for the greater good. Segment 9. The real untold story. So, what is the real untold story of Sundarakanda? It's not just a tale of heroism, but a story of hope, faith, and the assurance that even in the darkest times, the light of devotion and righteousness will prevail. It's about the beauty that persists in adversity, the courage to overcome any obstacle, and the wisdom to act with humility and love. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the untold stories of Sundarakanda. If you found this episode inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories from the epics that uplift and enlighten. Until then, EXT time, remember, true beauty lies in the heart, and the greatest journeys are those that lead us closer to our own divinity.